Hey everyone, it's Nadia from LiaDia Designs and I'm back with another tutorial. Sorry, my voice is still not 100%. I'm feeling so much better, but and thank you for everybody for your nice comments and well wishes. I sound worse than I feel, so please excuse my voice. I'm still drinking lemon water, so hopefully that's going to help. But I wanted to do a quick video for you guys today, and it's going to show you these cool new stickers that I found on the Washi tape shop, which you guys know is where I get all of my washi tapes, but now they actually also have these really cute little flower stickers as well, and they're like on clear acetate, so similar to butterflies that I've used in the past, which I had just found on Amazon or whatever, but they have these really kind of vintagey style flowers, and there's a lot in each of these packages. So there's that, and I just wanted to see what I could do with them just kind of quickly. So I did select a few. So we have these ones here, and I want to kind of see just if I were to place them on, you know, this is a really cute little heart, and I've already put in some clear resin in there, just a thin layer, so that just to kind of see if I were to layer these on to the heart, you know, kind of like a little garden, how that would look. So like I said, they are clear, so as you can see. Here we go, they are clear, and they're all super pretty. Like I said, there's so many that come in these packages. They're sold in individual sets, I think, but you do get quite a few per package. So anyway, so let me just get myself sorted out and we'll get started. Okay, so to get started, I think I'm just going to quickly kind of show you what I have in mind. So I am going to be layering these. So I was thinking to put this iris in the middle and then something like that. So let's just kind of get an idea. Now, the main concern I had with this is how much the clear acrylic is going to show once we have it in resin. So that's mostly what I'm testing here. I know if it was just a single layer, it's going to pretty much disappear. But if we have multiples of them kind of layered on top of each other, that's where I'm not 100% sure. Oops, this one's going to be stuck in there. So that's where I'm not 100% sure. So something like that is what we're looking for. So let me get these back out so that we can actually cut them properly and get them in. All right, so we'll start with this one in the center. Yep, like so. All right, so start with this one in the center, and I'm just going to peel it, I hope, right off. And again, I was just trying to find, I saw these and I thought, well, these were super cute. And obviously it just makes creating, it's kind of like, it's gonna, you know, be a clear, so it's gonna be, you know, kind of like a stained glass, but obviously it's just more of a collage, but on the clear. If we did a background color, I feel like the outlines might show a bit more, but I'm not 100% sure if that would be the case or not. So let's do that. Now this one, I think I have to trim it a little bit. So just that little leaf, I want to trim off on the side, like so. That'll fit a little bit better. And then these guys, we're just going to kind of stick them just kind of down here. So I'm estimating this, if you obviously just want to draw a line, it probably would be easier. And I probably don't even need that one there. So let's just do that. Like so. And one more. Just stick this guy maybe a little bit more up. Like so. There we go. So that, really quick, that is what we're looking at. Let's get it out of the way. So not too bad, like I said, for a quick kind of design. And obviously we're going to pour resin on this, and I didn't do the best job of kind of pressing these down really flat to make sure there's no bubbles. You kind of want to do it a little bit, you know, more carefully than I did, but kind of almost squeegee out any of those extra little bubbles, because I'm pretty sure it's going to show the bubbles when I, like any little bubbles that I didn't press out will probably still show through the resin, but I still think it's going to look pretty neat. Now I'm probably going to add a little bit of sparkle when I do the top pour, just add a little bit of like a super ultra fine iridescent, and then just pour that over top. But I think that's looking pretty cute. And but you definitely don't have to add any sparkle, but you guys know, I know you guys are all expecting me to add sparkles, so, and you know I will, so so I will add a little bit there. But anyways, yeah, so I wanted to show you quickly that we'll do the time lapse and show how to do the top pour on it really quick, and then you know, obviously if you want, you could like drill a little hole in here, make it a little ornament, or you know, kind of, some people say sun catchers, but you know that we're not supposed to let our resin sit out in the sun, so, or near you know, really bright windows, because it will yellow our resin. But yeah, if you just want to kind of hang it up somewhere otherwise in the home, it would actually look really cute. But anyways, let's go into the time lapse, and then we can kind of come back and see how everything's looking afterwards. Okay, so it has been a number of hours, and I did the top coat on this, so you can see. And I am planning to actually take it out of the mold and do a second top coat on it, but I just wanted to show you guys basically how it looks like this, because you don't technically need to do a second top coat, but I am planning to do one. So as you can see, we'll just get it out of the mold. And this is what it looks like. So there you go. It looks really pretty, actually. Little garden, flowers. And on the, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but on the, when it's on a dark background, you can kind of see the edges a little bit more. And I did put the glitter, what you're seeing there is the iridescent glitter. I did put the glitter on the top coat, so this way it has a little bit of sparkle. And but you can see some of the edges of the stickers, which is not overly obvious, but if it was on a, like, let's say you didn't want to have this clear, you wanted to put a darker background like poured underneath it, or you know, as the first layer, then chances are you're going to see, I believe there's a higher chance you're going to see the edges of the stickers. But over here on the white layer, you don't see it pretty much at all. Like, it completely camouflages it out. So I think if you wanted to put a white base layer, let's say if you're making a tray or something, then do all this and put the clear on top, I think you have a higher chance of the edges not showing. So those are your options, but I really do like it as a clear. I think that looks really pretty. And as I was mentioning before, you could just kind of drill a hole here and you can hang it as some type of an ornament, or it could be a little jewelry tray, or, you know, just a little display piece, whatever you like. But I think it's a really cute way, or super fast, a super fast way to kind of quickly come up with some designs. And the great thing about the stickers is that there's no you know, gloss varnish like I normally use involved. So basically you can stick it on and then just go right away and start top coating it. So if you wanted some, you know, a really quick and easy idea that looks, you know, turns out really pretty in the end. Like I said, there's so many of these packages to choose from in terms of the designs and different color schemes and things like that. And does have that vintagey kind of look. So I know sometimes you guys want some easier solutions for some really, you know, unique designs. I think this would allow you to do that. And you, like I said, if you get a few of these, you can mix and match and make all different gardens with it. You could layer it however you like. You could just have, you know, one flower, and maybe if you want to do something else, if you want to add some writing, or if you have a Cricut machine and you want to add a name next to it, they could be really cute little name placeholders, I guess, or name cards. There could be like little gifts for, you know, for loved ones. I think there's a lot of options here for a really quick and simple idea for these. So anyway, and I want to do a quick one for you guys today because my voice is going to give out. But so I wanted to get that done. I am going to be back next week with another video, I hope. I am traveling again, but I'm hoping that I'll have another one for you next week. So in any case, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If all the products that I'm using, as usual, will be linked in the description below this video. If I have discount codes, I include them as well. Like I said, these are all from the washi tape shop, so I will put a link for that website on here as well. I do have a discount code for them. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. And oh, for those of you who, you know, are looking at my website, it's LiaDiaDesigns.com. I have now added a mailing list to that. So members of the subscribers of the mailing list, I guess, will what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sending out kind of notifications or newsletters when I do launches on my site. So if you're looking for the newest items as they get launched on the site and you want to be the first to know before I publicly announce it, you know, on Instagram or anywhere else, sign up for the list and you'll get a notification as soon as new items get on there. So you'll get first dibs. Yeah, anyways, guys, thank you again for all of your support and kind comments during this past week or so that I've been not feeling well, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.